All right, folks, so here's what I have going on today. That one package you seen in the mailbox yesterday, that was like a resistance band workout kind of gym, you know, just a bunch of bands, and you use it like a gym instead of using weights. So what I need to do today is go to Home Depot, and I want to do this in the garage. I'm going to get a couple eyelet bolts so I can hook it up to the wall instead of doing it in the house and making a mess. Also, I got this thing right there. We're gonna put that thing together today. And also, I gotta prep. Oh, I would normally show this on the Holly Denver's channel because it's cooking, but I'm not gonna show you guys me cooking it. It's this pork butt I'm gonna do it in the smoker. And the other thing I gotta do is prep this turkey because tomorrow is our Thanksgiving. We got the Guapo nephew and Dakota coming over tomorrow, and we're not doing Thanksgiving on Thanksgiving. So in order to get that resistance band gym set up in there, I gotta clean up the garage a little bit. But the majority of this video is going to be putting that baby together, and we'll toy around with it. Okay, I'm in the garage now trying to clean up in here. Not really terrible, it's just stuff you don't want to bring in the house that just takes up space in the garage. It's a beautiful day in Foley. All right, garage looks pretty clean, and all I had to do was move everything to the other side. Not really. I did put some stuff up in the attic, and little lady wanted the Christmas stuff, so I took that in the house. And I think, let's see, did she put some up? Oh yeah, she did. Yeah, a lot better than it was. Now I can put up my mounts for the bands. Then I can put this thing together. From VEVOR, Las Vegas. Okay, so I got my little gym set up here. Well, part of it. Yeah, I got three of these eyelet bolts, lag bolts, and got them different levels so I get different types of intensities when I'm working out. Yeah, this one band here. I do have some more. I think the equivalent, all 3 or 4 of them put together, is like 150 pounds. I'm not trying to set no records. I'm just trying to get in some better shape. And yeah, I'll give you guys an example how it works. I'm sure you all know, but I'll just do it for video purposes. Now I'm going to get started on this, and if you don't know already, this is that fishing cart that I ordered. I'm going to open this box using this multi-tool that I bought at Harbor Freight from Gordon. Very cool. I like it. I like it better than the Leatherman I have, and it only costs $35 when it went on sale. So let's open this box. So many things on it. What a mess. Let me throw out all this garbage and we'll put it together. Okay, so I'm like scratching it all up. I have to connect these two together like this. And I'm taking it that these are just protective covers because they don't mention or show them anywhere in the instructions. So I'm going to do that in all these, and then connect it with these things on the top and bottom. I'll bring it back when I'm done with that. All right, those are all tightened up. And they just can't make it like that. Anyhow, now I got to do the top half the same way, and that is connecting these two the same manner. I really do like the care that they put into protecting this stuff by putting these rubber footings on the ends. Thank you, VEVOR. Got that together. Next step. Now here comes the cheesy factor. These are, or I should say, this is what's going to hold this top half onto the bottom half, all the way around. Then there's a handle, it'll be over here, not made out of this, but the handle's over there, and it will hold it together as well. So I gotta mount 7 of these all the way around, connecting this bottom to the top. So it looks like a wagon, kinda. That is the cheesy factor here. But let me get it put together. All right, so yeah, this is how it goes. Putting these things on here, I gotta do this all the way around, except for the handle in the front. Really, if you had arthritis, this would kill you. They do give you tools to assemble this. I did use my own socket wrench, but they did come with the Allen wrench, which I found handy. 3 of them, actually. Let me finish putting this together. Well, let me finish getting these pole holders on there, and I'll bring it back. So I got those all on there. Yeah, it's not hard to do, but it's just irritating to do it. Now I gotta put the handle on there. This thing's gonna go like this. And then the handle. Going like that. Okay. As it's getting dark already, I got the handle on. Kind of crazy. Yeah, I guess all I gotta do really now is put the wheels on. Let's get there. All right, let's see. Make sure the valve stem's on the outside because that's how I want it.
Hey man, love the flagpole.
What's that?
I love the flagpole.
Yeah.
It's nice.
You ready for it, maybe, or no? A little cheesy on there. Oh, sorry about that. And then we're going to put this pin in there. Try to. Flip the roll. And I guess that's it for this side. Gotta do the other side. I'll bring you guys back when I get that done. Now, all I have to do is mount this handle right there using an M535 bolt with the nut. You hear that? That's the sound of a success. Mission almost accomplished. That's the fishing cart. Let me make sure I got all the steps done. Handle, check. Then it's telling you, take it back to where you bought it. No, that's not. The VEVOR fishing cart, model YK200. That is it. Is it a champion? I will find out. But let's do one little test right here, right now. Now, I've heard some people complain about this issue, but I'm not worried about it. I got a remedy, I think I do. And it is, will that fishing pole sit in there and hold? Hey, get out of the way of the garage door. So let's give it a try. What I mean is, will it sink through? Probably will. It will. Now, can I just bring it up here? I could. But the best thing I could probably do is extend that holder so it holds up like that. I knew this when I bought it, so I'm not upset, not a surprise. Little lady will probably get more use out of it than I will out there in the garden. She'll say, "Where's my cart?" when I take it fishing. "Where's my cart? What do you do on my cart?" What's kind of cheesy is the way that upper and lower part connects with the fishing rod mounts. But you know what? I'll get over that. I think in this case I might do some mods, but I like it. It's going to be fun. It'll fit right in the back of the Frontier, which I'm calling Nelly. Nissan Nelly. This is not the end of my day, because I still got to do a pork butt, and that's not going to be in this video, but that will, or this will be the end of this video. Thank you for watching. See you all tomorrow.